Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to capture or record the screen on your ACER Chromebook Spin 703rd capturing tool by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the screenshot button together. Make sure to select the recording option on the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Select the camera icon, then choose one of three capturing options: full screen recording, part of the screen recording using a crosshair, or window recording, which requires an open window. Before recording, open settings to adjust audio. By default, audio input is disabled, but you can change it to device audio, microphone, or both. You can also enable the front camera to record your face while recording, and toggle additional features if needed. In case the default save location, switch from downloads to any other folder. To start recording, click Record Video and wait for it to begin. To stop recording, click the red square. You can view the full preview by clicking the notification and use Google Lens if desired. To find your recording, go to Files, and the default directory is Downloads. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.